Well, I think the strongest impression from this conference is that there is private companies like Ringier Axel Springer, like Nordeus, like Infostud, like Telenor, like Telekom Serbia, and many more who have joined forces to really tackle this challenge. And I think this is the collaboration, that's the strongest message, that people, companies are getting together to make a difference for Serbia in terms of digitization.
Bilo je fascinantno vidjeti ekipu koja je stajala na sceni u sali, to je definitivno sadašnjost i budućnost Srbije.
Well, I think the digital revolution will change a lot. There might be jobs as we know it that will not be there in the future, but there will be a lot of new jobs, new opportunities.
It seems that it's a unique event because it's full of energy, and it's a new energy for Serbia. It is not a government initiative, it's a private initiative helping others. So great moment, great excitation, and hopefully for once Serbia will be ahead of others.
Knowing the talent in Serbia, this is the opportunity to be there, to make sure that our talent, our young people can grab this opportunity.
It's not about buying computers and buying mobile phones and saying we are digital. It's about changing the mindset. I think we have seen that in presentation today.
I see from the education system a lot of students with engineer background are emerging. Today they do not have yet the opportunities they need, so many of them just go abroad and are attracted by foreign companies. But if this initiative, together with the government and the universities, is successful, we can form really ecosystems in certain industry clusters that will hold those talents here and also bring more of the value created to Serbia and make Serbia not just the workbench of the West of cheap labor. And I think this is the initiative and this is what it's all about. And I'm very positive that this is a huge opportunity for Serbia.